Hi everyone, this is Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your camera control button here to do something else. So you can go ahead and set to open an app using the dedicated camera control on your iPhone 16 or above. So let me show you how to do this. So before we begin, you first go ahead and make sure you're on iOS 18.4. So you can do this by going to settings, go to general, software update, and here you need to go ahead and make sure you're on iOS 18.4 or above. Now, once that's done, you want to go back to settings again. Here, you want to go ahead and find the camera settings. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see camera control, so tap on that. From here, you can go ahead and find launch camera, so tap on this. And here you can go ahead and find all of these apps which you can open. So you can scan a code, you can open up Instagram, you can open up the magnifier tool, you can open Snapchat, or you can set it to none. So by setting this, you can go ahead and press home, and then when you press the camera control button here, this will open up the required app. So there you go guys, that is how to open an app using the camera control button on your iPhone 16. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.